Bitcoin broke out of the bull flag formation like mentioned in yesterday's video, and we've reached our first target right here. And so far Bitcoin reversed, has seen a sell-off, and right now Bitcoin is leaning on the former resistance, which right now is turning into support. I am going to show you exactly what I'm expecting to happen in the Bitcoin price right here in the immediate short-term future. Can Bitcoin reach 100,000 US dollar by September this year? Guys, we are going to have a look if that is possible and how likely it is that Bitcoin is actually going to reach a six-figure price this year, 2021. Then guys, we have some very bullish data which is showing us that right now we are only in the start of the bull market and that the best is yet to come. So guys, drop a like, leave your comment down below. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Guys, right now let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. Then guys, before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price action, let's take with every single one of us right now 1 single minute and scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that would be amazing. Then guys, for all the traders out there, right now you only have a couple of days left to claim this bonus on Bybit, this bonus of 620 US dollars. So for everybody who's interested in that, you can sign up using my affiliate link down below. And once you've signed up using my affiliate link down below, you go right here to the rewards hub, and right here in the voucher code, you put in the voucher code jackpot. And there are some deposit requirements, but you can get a maximum bonus up to 620 US dollars before the 5th of February. So guys, for all the traders out there who haven't created an account on Bybit, right now is definitely an awesome opportunity to create an account and to take advantage of this huge bonus. If you want to sign up, you can find my affiliate link down below in the pinned comment. Then guys, let's dive into the shorter term time frame right in the Bitcoin chart. Right here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and yesterday we have been saying that we are seeing a bounce and potentially seeing a bull flag formation, and the moment we broke out, that was actually confirmed. We were seeing increased amounts of volume the moment we were seeing this breakout, and as you can see, Bitcoin continued this uptrend. We have reached our first target, guys, which was right here, the first horizontal former support, which should turn into resistance, and as you can see, it did turn into resistance. We got rejected so far, and right now Bitcoin is testing the former resistance of the bull flag as the new support. And if Bitcoin wants to remain bullish, then it definitely needs to hold this level. And this is not the only reason why this level is important, because it is the former resistance of this bull flag. No, it is as well the middle of the bigger descending channel where Bitcoin is trading in. So let's have a look at that chart, and we can see it right here, guys, that Bitcoin is trading in this descending channel, and the middle of the channel is normally showing a lot of significance too, and there's no difference right now. So as you can see, the former resistance of this bull flag formation is aligning as well with the middle of the channel. So it is very important for Bitcoin, guys, to hold this level if Bitcoin wants to remain bullish, because so far we just have been setting a lower high compared to the previous high right here. Because guys, if Bitcoin cannot see a nice bounce right here and surpass the previous high right here, then that would mean that right here we have been setting a lower high, which is a bearish sign for Bitcoin, and is definitely increasing the likelihood that eventually we are going to test the horizontal support right here again, and is as well increasing the likelihood that we are eventually going to break that level to the downside. So lower highs is definitely something bearish right now in the Bitcoin chart, and it would as well be bearish that the bounce right here from the support couldn't come up to the resistance, to the declining resistance right here of this pattern, of this descending channel, or this descending triangle. Depends how you look at it. But normally that is a bearish sign, when the bounce of the support cannot come as high as the resistance, but is already reversing earlier on. And the other significant thing right here from the level where we have seen the rejection from is that this is the level which was the former support, the former neckline of this bigger head and shoulders pattern right here we have seen in the price of Bitcoin, where we have right here the left shoulder, in the middle the head, and right here the right shoulder. So that is actually a bearish sign if Bitcoin cannot manage to break back above the neckline, because that is increasing the likelihood that we eventually are going to reach the target of this head and shoulders pattern, which, as most of you guys know, is way lower than the levels Bitcoin is trading right now. So guys, what do I expect right here in the immediate short-term time frame of Bitcoin? Well guys, to be honest, I'm not that bullish right here in the immediate short-term time frame because we just seeing some weakness right now in the price as well. The price has been setting a lower high right here. We got a rejection from the neckline, and as long as we are trading below that lower high, I do expect Bitcoin to see lower levels. Right now, we are riding the support on the middle of the channel, which is the former resistance of the bull flag formation as well. If we were to break below this level in the shorter term time frame, then that is definitely looking bearish and is showing us that most likely Bitcoin will come down and test the support right there, the horizontal support of this bigger descending triangle, right, where we have a horizontal support right here and a declining resistance. Then guys, I want to congratulate every single one of you who has been taking the trades out of this bull flag formation and who took profits right here at our first target. I've been sharing a tweet yesterday, guys, when we were seeing this breakout. It went actually quite fast, but if you would have taken this trade with me, then you would have a gain of approximately 5%. And of course, you guys know if you would use a 10x leverage on that, then that 5% would be a trade of 50%. So these smaller patterns are definitely patterns which are good tradable with leverage. However, guys, you have to be careful. Also, when we have seen this breakout, when you enter a long position right here and you didn't took 100% profit right here, always make sure that you have a stop loss approximately right here. So when the price is reversing and showing weakness, you will be stopped out in profit. Can Bitcoin reach 100,000 US dollars by the latest September this year? Guys, that is what the stock to flow model is predicting from Plan B. And I think every single one of you is familiar with this model. But yeah, this model is already out there for quite some time. But lately it is really showing a lot of significance with predicting the Bitcoin price based on its scarcity. So right here, the dark red line is the stock to flow model, and the colored chart on top of the dark red line is the Bitcoin price. And as you can see right here, after the halving, the stock to flow model has been very, very accurate in predicting the price of Bitcoin. And guys, that is actually quite weird because normally these models, they can function as great projections of future price movements, but normally they are not that accurate as we are seeing right now with the stock to flow model. But guys, if we are going to continue this stock to flow model, then Bitcoin will reach a price of minimum 100,000 US dollars by the latest September 2021. And right here, Plan B tweeted about it. He say, if history is any guidance and Bitcoin continues its current trajectory, Bitcoin could be 100,000 US dollars somewhere between April and September. So it already could be in April, but by the latest September this year. So guys, how realistic is it that Bitcoin is going to reach 100,000 US dollars or even higher levels this year? We are going to have a look at the chart, and if we were to reach those levels, how would the price action actually look like? So guys, first of all, I want to have a look at the previous bull market of 2016, 2017, and I want to mark the point that we have been breaking above the all-time high. So that was right here, as you can see, after we broke above this horizontal resistance. Then guys, next to this event of breaking the previous all-time high, I want to bring up the 20 weekly moving average, which is a very important moving average in a bull market, especially in the bull market of 2016, 2017, because as you can see right here, when Bitcoin was in an uptrend, it was being pulled back to the 20 weekly moving average every time, and as long as we were remaining in this uptrend, we were seeing a bounce off from this level. But guys, let's first have a look at how the price looked right here. The moment we broke above the previous all-time high in the bull market of 2016, 2017, we have seen definitely a huge acceleration right here in this uptrend, where we were seeing a rally which eventually was going parabolic till a peak coming down to the 20-week moving average. Rally which is going parabolic, eventually we peak coming down to the 20-week moving average. And this is going on until we actually reach the top. And the moment we broke previous all-time high, we have seen an increase of the Bitcoin price of approximately 1,500%. So guys, if we were to see something similar right here, then let's draw a horizontal line. And yeah, we can see that the previous all-time high showed some significance. It has shown some resistance right here. And the moment we broke above it, we saw a accelerated rally to the upside. We're actually going parabolic. Right now, we are seeing a local top most likely. And it is possible that Bitcoin right now is coming back to the 20-week moving average eventually. And this level could hold as support and Bitcoin is continuing this uptrend. And guys, the evidence that we have that Bitcoin is just in the beginning of the bull market is the following chart right here, which is the Shopper chart, which is showing the amount of hodlers that are actually cashing out on their positions. And as you can see right here in the previous bull market, as Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to a top, you can see that the amount of hodlers that are depositing their Bitcoins to an exchange to cash it out for fiat is increasing and is going to a peak. And right now, as you can see, we are just seeing a small bump right here in the road, similar as we have seen right here the previous time we have been surpassing the previous all-time high. So guys, this is definitely a very, very bullish chart for the price of Bitcoin and is showing us that right now we are still in the early stages of a bull market. So guys, what we can do is that we are going to project the price action from 216, 217 on the price action right now and have a look at how that actually would look in the chart. However guys, this is definitely not going to be an accurate prediction because the market structure that we are seeing right now is already quite different than from the market structure we actually have seen in 2016, 2017. But let's do it guys. We copy the price action right here from the moment we broke above the previous all-time high till the top right here. Let's put that at the point what we are seeing right now from the breakout. So guys, what we have been doing right now is we have been taking the price action of 216, 217 and we have been projecting that price action on the Bitcoin price right now just to have a look and feel of how a potential scenario like this might be playing out, where Bitcoin is reaching 100,000 US dollars in by the latest September right here in 2021 this year. So guys, so this is just very speculative guys. This is just the copied price action of 216, 2017. Take that in mind. This is definitely not going to be accurate, but it is showing us, it shows the Bitcoin price more in perspective, and it also makes sure that we are not that much zoomed into the shorter term time frame. And guys, when we have a look at the price action, then it's not looking all too unrealistic in the macro perspective. We have the 20-week moving average coming up right here, and we have the first sell of the first correction after we have been breaking above previous all-time high, which is occurring right now, which should be, if we want to maintain this bull market, bounce off from the 20-week moving average. And this can be the bottom level, the support level of this bull market, right? So guys, that could be telling us that right now Bitcoin has seen a local top and that we are going to see a continued correction to the downside, maybe even through February or even through the beginning of March, coming down slowly to the 20 weekly moving average right here. And then in March or end of February, we don't really know exactly when this is going to happen. It's also very difficult to say right now, but just as a projection of future price movement, we could be seeing a bounce from this level and we are going to see the next rally, which could bring Bitcoin definitely above 50,000-60,000 US dollars easily. And right here we could be seeing a smaller pullback to the 20-week moving average as well. And afterwards we can see a continued rally, which might be one of the latest phases of this bull market where Bitcoin is really going parabolic, and when we are seeing less corrections as we are seeing right here at the beginning. Guys, this is definitely not an unrealistic scenario, and I definitely think that if Bitcoin is continuing the rally we are in right now, then 100,000 US dollars as a target for this bull market will be a conservative target. Guys, in this bull market, Bitcoin can definitely reach levels higher than 100,000 US dollars. I want to emphasize the fact though, guys, that if we are reaching those levels, or when we are reaching those levels and we are getting closer to a top, you have to realize that we are not trading that long at these levels. So right here, when Bitcoin was topping out in 2017 at approximately 20,000 US dollars, then as you can see, we only had a couple of weeks price action right there, and then we already saw a rejection and the price was falling quite quickly. So you have to realize, guys, that in the latest phase of the bull market, in the blow off top phase where Bitcoin is just going parabolic, the price is increasing with crazy amounts. In this bull market, it could increase with 10,000 US dollars a day. And eventually when Bitcoin is topping out at these astronomical figures, guys, Bitcoin won't be trading long in these price ranges until we are seeing some downwards movement right here. However, guys, I also am actually quite convinced that the correction after next bull market is not going to be that severe as the corrections we have seen in the past. I think the longer Bitcoin is in this uptrend, the less severe the corrections are to the downside, because there is more liquidity in this market, which means that there is more strength, and which as well means that there is less volatility. But okay, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. If so, guys, take a minute, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, and guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you think about the price action of Bitcoin right now. Could we see a continued correction in the month of February, coming down to the 20-week moving average and bouncing off from that level, and yeah, later this year, around the middle of the year or the second quarter of this year, starting the second uptrend after we surpass the previous all-time highs? Guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Then, guys, for all the traders out there, right now is an awesome time to sign up on Bybit. If you use my affiliate link down below, you can take advantage of that amazing bonus of $620, which will end on the 5th of February. So if you don't have an account on Bybit yet, right now is definitely an awesome time to create an account. Then for every single one of you who wants to take the next step into their trading journey and wants to get a better understanding of these cryptocurrency markets, you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course. Right now you have a $50 discount using the code BTFD, and you can find more information on the blockchaintoday.com. I have a link down below in the description as well. Then, guys, I wish every single one of you an amazing day ahead. And for all the ones that haven't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those, and I will see all of you in the next video.